Now, as we've previously reported, health officials have seen a decline in routine care appointments during the pandemic, but what they're also worried about is a decline in vaccinations. Idaho News 6 reporter Lindsay Amundsen tells us why doctors are encouraging parents to keep their kids' vaccinations current.
In the past, one of the ways that we've been able to kind of make sure that kids are getting those vaccines is, they can't go to school unless they show evidence.
But with some schools delayed and others starting the year remotely,
We don't have a way of checking that. And so what we've noticed is that vaccines for children have gone down in terms of keeping them current. And then, as you know, there are some parents that sometimes they don't want to get their kids vaccinated and they're relying on other kids to be vaccinated. But we know that if we do not vaccinate kids for some of the diseases that we know we can protect them from, then there's more risk that those will come back and be a problem as well, too.
when children get behind in their immunizations,
It's a big worry because as we get into the winter months and we still have coronavirus, it's very important children get their immunizations.
We know that there are certain vaccinations that do a wonderful job of protecting kids, from getting bad illnesses. And you have to get them at certain times to be able to, maximize the effectiveness of those vaccines.
Dr. Polo says it's important for children to get their vaccinations on time and to not wait.
It's going to be very important, particularly when schools do start opening up, and they will. Kids need to get all caught up on their vaccines.
Clinics and doctors' offices are doing what they can to remind parents.
We've been texting patients, email patients, trying to get them in, and they've responded.
But they are still encouraging everyone who has not yet made an appointment to call and do so. Lindsay Amundsen, Idaho News 6.